Doing the bicycle kick in FIFA 24 is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how you guys can do the bicycle kick in FIFA 24. So there's no such game as FIFA 24. The new game is called as FC 24. So EA Games has officially changed the name from FIFA to FC 24. So you just need to download this game. Obviously, you will probably be talking about this game. So you just have to open up the game and let me show you how a bicycle kick looks. This is how a bicycle kicks look. You just need to, as you can see, the player totally rotates. As you can see, goes in the air and kicks the ball backwards. So how can you do it? In order to do that, you have to press these keys in your controller. You just need to pass the ball to your player, and when the ball is coming to your player, you just need to hold this L2 or LB key. You just need to press this key, hold this key, and press this key. So in the Xbox controller, it is called as LB key, and this key is called as B key. But in PS controller, it is called as L2 key, and this is called as circle key. So you just need to hold this key, and you just need to press this key. And after pressing these keys, make sure you are also selecting the direction and want you to kick the ball. So you just need to select the direction, press the L2 key or LB key, and press the B or O key. So that's how you will be able to do these kinds of bicycle kicks in your FC or FIFA games. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do the bicycle kick in latest FIFA game. Hope you guys found this video helpful.